The Ulefone Armor Pad 3 Pro is one of the best feature-packed rugged tablets of 2024, and it's currently available for a very affordable price. If you wish to get the Pad 3 Pro and you want to get it for a very cheap price, then make sure to use the links in the video description. Now, there's something I need you guys to know. The Pad 3 Pro has different accessories, okay, and these accessories are sold separately. All right, now some of the accessories include a carrying case, a hand strap. The Pad 3 Pro also has its own exclusive sound kit that has a 9 watts max power and a max loudness of about 114 decibels. It also supports a USmart expansion connector, which you can use with different devices, including a microscope, a digital microscope, an HD endoscope, and a dual camera endoscope. These devices are sold separately as well. If you want them, there are details of how you could get them in the video description. So, as regarding the specs of the Pad 3 Pro, well, it's basically quite okay. It is a rugged phone that has a 33,280 mAh battery. The device is also rated IP68 and IP69K, which means it is waterproof, dustproof, and of course it is also said to be shockproof, and it is resistant to high pressure water jets. The device is also military grade standard 810H certified, which guarantees its durability against harsh environmental conditions. The phone has a 10.36-inch 2K display, and also the display has a max brightness of about 500 nits, which is okay for a tablet. The device utilizes 8GB RAM and it has 256GB internal storage. For photography, the phone has a single 50MP rear camera and a 32MP front-facing camera. Additionally, the device is powered by the MediaTek MT8788 processor, which isn't, very powerful, but it's quite okay for you to be able to do whatever you want to do with the Armor Pad 3 Pro. The device features stereo speakers, and also the phone has dual versatile LED lights. When combined, provides a maximum brightness of about 1100 lumens, which I believe is bright enough for different nighttime outdoor activities, including camping. So these are just some of the top features and specs of the Armor Pad 3 Pro. Like I mentioned earlier, if you want to get the device for a very affordable price, then make sure to use the links in the video description. Thanks for watching. Give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.